Hi, this is Miss T Ideas, and I'm coming back with another video. This is part 2 of the Deco Podged napkins. They dried, and they're right here. This is one, and this is the other. As Deco Podged napkins, and what I did was I just glued it on the back of this brown paper. Because you know the rice paper is on the back. Then I just glued this on the back. I could have sewed it, but I want to cut it and stuff like that. So, but this is the beautiful decoupage napkins. And I made that out of napkins, y'all. Napkins. How about that? And I told you how we do it. You know, we take, napkins have layers on it. And you take the first sheet off. Sometimes it have 2 sheets. Look like this one might, but I'm not going to do this because I'm not fixing to use this. But this here is this. It's durable, pliable. Wait, I want to show you, I had a book. This is going to be cute too. I have some cute pieces. This one, I have a bunch. This one, not a bunch, but this was sent to me. We did an exchange, and I have these, and I love these flowers here. So this is what this was made out of. Delicate napkins. But when you make it, you have to peel back the layers. Okay, look, this doesn't want to come off anyway. And usually you do that with tape. And I showed you yesterday. Let me see. You take the tape like this. Maybe if I put my glasses on, let's see. You take this and with the tape, you go to the corner and you're able to pull that apart. I don't know if it have another one on there. And see this here, you can still use that to wipe something up. Let me see if it have another one. This is when it freaks you out when it actually have another one and you know, you could have easily missed it. Let's see. I think it does. Look at here, y'all. Some of them have one, and some of them have 2 or 3. And I use the tape. I just use the tape in the corner. Okay. Now, got 2 of these, and they soft little napkins. This here. Now you know what'll freak me out? If I tried it again and another piece come off. I don't think so. I almost think so though. Oh, I got messing with that. Okay, well, this is the delicate napkin. There's a napkin, okay? If you have some pretty napkins, some leftover napkins, this here, you can use it in journals making. You can use it in cover making. You know, if you want to cover a file folder or whatever, you can do whatever you want. It's like leather. And this crawfish one here, you know, I'm from one of the crawfish capitals here. One of them out of many. I can do whatever I want with this. I haven't decided, but this is going to be special. I may make some book tags. I may make something, you know, I can put this on a tissue box. I can do whatever. You know, I can make it a decoration piece in the house. I can make it a wallet. You know, I got my leather. I can make it a wallet, a book cover. I mean, you can just do so much with it. And this is Deco Podged napkin on rice paper. Rice paper's under the, y'all saw video 1. This is 2. And I just glued some paper with a dry glue stick on the bag. You know, because to make it thicker. So, this is my first time decoupaging. And I'm proud of it. Yeah. I'm going to stitch around the edges when I finish. I'm super duper proud of it. I'm not going to hold this video up. It is what it is. I'm done with the decoupaging. But they say decoupaging is addictive. I can believe that because I'm going to get me some more Mod Podge. That's what you use with it. And I'm going to make me some more. I could also cut it in pieces and give some in my Happy Mail too. That's what I'm going to do to my leather. Yeah, I'm just wild about it. Just okay. Miss T Ideas. Hey, like, share, like and subscribe to my video. If you like, you know, it really helps the algorithm. And if you see anything that you enjoyed that interests you, please hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it very much. This is Miss T Ideas, and I'll see you next time on the next video.